Good morning. Greetings. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Marriage is given for us for the full expression of love between a man and a woman, so that the husband and wife may cherish and delight in one another, comfort and help each other in sickness, trouble, and in sorrow, provide for each other temporal things, pray for and encourage each other, live together faithfully until the end of their days. Okay? Sige, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted with these couples? May ikakontra po ba sa wedding? Kung wala, let us continue. Can you both stand? Tayo ito tayo. Okay, Joanne, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband to be? Yes. Shitting, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife to be?
Yes.
To the both of you, do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntarily? Cheating, will you have Joanne to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Yes. Yes. Joanne, will you have cheating to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay. So, where you have rings? Ayan. So, follow after me. Me first. The Joanne's ring. Follow after me. You say what I'm going to say. Okay, I give you this ring. You say what I'm going to say. Okay? I give you this ring as a sign of my vow. And with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Okay. Joanne, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, with all that I have, I honor you. Okay. Okay, now payo and wishes from the friends and family who are here. So, you should face your family first. Face here. Okay. Okay. Harap kayo. Manang, ano naman payo? What is your wish and to the newlyweds?
Ako ay nagpapasalamat na nalis ko kayo ngayon upang masaksihan ang pag-isang ni Joanne City. Congratulations. May God grant you blessing, wisdom, and happiness. The two of you are blessing not only to each other but to all those around you. Congratulations.
Okay. Sige, from the people in the back. Harap kayo sa likod. Face naman. Tama, no, mother, ano naman, payo, wish. In English, payat nyo. Sige, from here.
My teacher.
Joanne, long time no see. Kita natin, kinakasal ka na. You know, Joanne is one was my student before.
Mhm.
She was in the college. Did you understand it? I wish you a very happy marriage. And you need to understand each other, though you have different culture. And congratulations and best wishes. I will not make it long because you cannot understand it.
He will review the video. So, ma'am, namin kayo, di ba?
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. And you don't understand it, right? I'm just taking on my own way. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Nawa ang Diyos ang sa inyo.
Sige, ma'am.
Congratulations, Joanne and Shipping. I wish ko sa inyo to love forever.
Congratulations, Joanne and Kitty. So let God be the center of your life. Again, congratulations.
Both of you, nice to have fun. Isang words lang. Para matagal yung pagsasama nyo. The center of your life will be your your wife. Lahat ng kita, bigay mo sa wife. Almost 26 years na rin ang asawa ko. Yun ang ginagawa ko. Ngayon, matutag pa rin. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Joanne and Shipping, congratulations and best wishes.
Hindi, recorder lang. Sige, last to.
Congratulations to the newlywed couple, and I hope that you will be faithful to each other. And sana'y magkanak kayo ng marami. And God bless.
Anybody else? Okay na, papalik na nung Anyway, from your relative. Sister, do you want to say anything? You want to share? Yes. Okay.
Joanne will translate.
Okay?
Yeah.
Welcome to be my family. Love you.
Okay, now face each other, and you can now read your vows to each other. Then first, your vows to your husband.
Meeting my husband, I know in my heart that you love me because of your sacrifice and your love. That God gave you to me. I am so blessed that you are my own. I want you to know that I will love you with all my heart until the end.
Okay, now, what do you want to say to your wife? Sorry. Yes.
Joe, 就我们在台湾已经在一起了3年，我们有很多美好的回忆，还有经历过许多快乐跟欢笑。我很幸运的在台湾遇见你，I love you。
Hold your hands, both hands. And once again, follow after me. You say what I'm gonna say. Okay? I hereby take you, Joanne.
I hereby take you, Joanne,
To be my wife.
to be my wife,
To have
to have,
and to hold. To be one
to be one
of heart,
of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one faith.
From this day forward,
One
for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love, to cherish, until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Okay. I hereby take you shitting. I hereby take you
I hereby
take
take you
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
and to be
one of heart,
one
of heart,
of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day
forward, for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness
and in health, to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we are departed
By death. By death. This is my solemn vow. Keep holding your hands. By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witnesses, I, Benjamin Loren Monesmo III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Sige, face each other.
Okay,
Happy.
wait, set up.
Maybe translate mo.
Okay.
Kiss her.
Please.
Longer. 5 seconds.
Second kiss. Nakuha yung libo kasi nakagano'n. Isa pa na.
One more. Hawakan mo. Dalawang kamay dito.
Para hindi
Sa pink dito. Go. Oh, matagal. Pikit, ma'am. Pikit, ma'am.
Congratulations. Yung mga witnesses po, Ninong Nina, kapag nato siyango, witness naman, permata ako. Sino na ganyan yung Ninong Nina? Please witness. Witness, happen ma.
Son, smile. Okay. Money, smile, smile, here. Money. Cheers.
Kanina nga ako, hindi ka na. Dami natin na.
Dapat to Wednesday.
Compress po, ma'am. Compress. Patayo daw na.
Okay.
Ilaw natin na.
Ready, 1, 2, smile.
Yan yung upuan namin ay yung ilaw.
Tingnan sa akin, guys. 1, 2. Walking!
Walking.
Nagwapuan.